Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a living room makeover. This is part of my new series, the Home Refresh series, which is going to be all about decluttering, organizing, and changing up some of the spaces in my home. So I have spent weeks collecting pieces and just kind of figuring out everything that I wanted to do with the space, and the turnout is amazing. I cannot wait until you guys see the end of this video. My family is absolutely in love with this space, you guys. They've been telling me they don't even want to go to work. They just want to chill and hang out in this new space. So we are going to be doing tons of deep cleaning in this video. First, just to kind of prep the living room, I want to start on a clean slate. Plus, it's the new year. I like to deep clean my house anyway, so that is what we are going to be doing. But you guys are going to get tons of cleaning motivation. You're going to get some home decor inspiration, and I just hope that you're excited to see this transformation. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and go on with the video. So we're going to go ahead and start with deep cleaning my couches. They were disgusting. There was tons of junk underneath there and crumbs, and I just needed to vacuum. So me and Ava are going to go ahead and clean this up. Let me know in the comments when was the last time that you guys cleaned in your couches.
We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
So what I was doing a lot is vacuuming kind of around the chairs and the front of the couches, just because Remy kind of walks by those and lays up against them, so there's tons of dog hair on there. So I make sure I don't forget those areas too. Once you guys see the living room transformation and how everything turned out, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you guys think the style is. It is a little bit different than I typically decorate with. I got some new pieces I've never bought before and just kind of went with a little bit of a different look. And I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on kind of what that look is. So let me know your thoughts down below.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
So now we're going to go ahead and clean the baseboards all through the living room. So I just went ahead and made some hot soapy water, and we're just going to take our little sponge and start scrubbing. Typically I do use a magic eraser for my baseboards and my walls, but I didn't have any, so we just made do with what we had. If you're new to my channel and this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lindsey, and I love doing cleaning videos, organizing, and sharing mom life with you guys and just life in general. So make sure that you comment down below and say hi and just kind of introduce yourself. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of this Home Refresh series. I do have tons more videos coming.
Every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
So I am a new huge fan of these e-cloths. This is the window one, and I use them on my mirrors and my windows. They work amazing. All you have to do is take the first cloth and you get some water on it, and then the product starts working. And then the second cloth is to kind of wipe down and dry afterwards, and they have been working amazing.
I found a miracle, I found
I love this Tide Anti-Bac Spray Cleaner. This is kind of like throwing your stuff in the wash machine without throwing it in the wash machine. So I like to spray this on my couches so it can kind of disinfect and clean the couches the best it can. So I did get these curtain rods from Amazon. They're the Amazon Basics. I got them on a really great deal before Christmas. They were like $15. I will have links for as much as I could find down below in the description box. I really love them. They're really great quality, and I'm actually going to be ordering a couple of more so I can do the rest of the windows in our downstairs. So I did have some of my husband's help throughout this process just so we can kind of hurry things up and finish before it got dark.
They keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now.
I also got these curtains from Amazon, and I absolutely love how they brightened up the space. I will be getting more to continue to change out the curtains and the rest of the downstairs, and I'm really excited for the total look of the downstairs once we get more of curtains.
But I can fight it. Some things are not meant to be, even if it's hard to see. I'll try to let go.
I would really appreciate you guys to take the time and share this video with friends and family if you enjoyed it. It just really helps me out, and I would appreciate it so much.
But I can help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this 'cause
So I did get this shelf from Kirkland's, which is a cute little home decor store here in Arizona, and I really love it. It just really brought the room together, and we were able to add some pieces of decor.
I can't help that I miss you now.
So me and my husband were having a discussion about this plant. Where do you guys think we should have put the plant? In the center, the upper left, or the bottom left side? Let us know. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts. And we did pick up this plant from Target. So I did get this piece from Hobby Lobby, and then I repurposed the little vases, the 3 vases. I repurposed that, but I also got that from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. And then I got this little plant from Target. So I did get this rug from Ruggable Rugs, and I really like it because it's a 2-piece. So anytime I want to change the style of my rug, all I have to do is kind of tear off that top layer, and then I can buy a new top rug. So it's really awesome. I love it. And now we're going to go ahead and decorate my coffee table.
Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out on my...
So I did pick up this pretty little candle from Hobby Lobby. It was kind of pricey in my eyes, but I usually buy candles when they're on sale. And this one is all natural, so they're essential oil base, and it smells amazing. So I thought it would be really cute there just to kind of have some different layers or different heights on the tray. But I do eventually change it by the end of the video, so stay tuned to see how this ended up. So I did go ahead and end up getting some pillow covers. If you've been here for a while, you already know I have tons of throw pillows, different sizes and everything. So I went ahead and went on Amazon, and I found some really good deals for some 20 by 20 pillow covers and some 18 by 18.
The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on
So I did get these really cute striped pillows from Costco. They were on sale for $12 a piece, which was a great deal. And my dear friend Emily is the one who told me about this deal. She Marco'd me and I went straight to Costco that same day. They were exactly what I was looking for.
Yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm...
So I did get this pretty lantern and candle from Hobby Lobby. It's an electric candle, so you just put some batteries in it and it will stay lit, and it looks beautiful, and it actually has a little bit of a scent of vanilla. So I thought that this lantern would be perfect in this space.
Everything inside of my size is awesome to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me.
So I did end up moving the candle over here, and it just looks really pretty over here. Let me know what you guys think. Also, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys got so much inspiration from this video. We are so pleased and happy with the turnout of our living room. If you guys could just come and sit in the living room now and see how, feel how cozy it is compared to what it was before, you would understand. It was so plain. Here's a before shot. It was very plain. Nothing was going on here, and now we've just created this very cozy, welcoming atmosphere, and I'm just so thankful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.